we divide 679 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 679 divided by 5 is 135.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.